Okay, so according to Kepler's third law, we have such equation here, which is T comets over T Earth to the power 2 is equal to R comets over R Earth to the power 3. So T comets is the time period for the comet to finish one cycle around the sun, and T Earth is the period for the Earth to finish one cycle around the sun. And R comet here is the distance between the comet and the sun, and R Earth here is the distance between the Earth and the sun. So therefore, we have R comets is equal to R Earth equal to T comet over T Earth to the power of 2 over 3. So we know the distance uh, between the Earth and the Sun is 1 astronomical units, and the time period for the comets to finish one cycle is about 2,400 years, and the time period for the Earth to finish one cycle around the Sun is about 1 year. So if we plugging back to the equations, we have the main distance from the comet to the Sun is about 179.3 astronomical units. And for the second question, well, we know R comet can be equal to the closest distance plus the maximum distance, which is the furthest distance, over 2. So therefore, the furthest distance can be equal to 2 R comets minus R minimum. And we know R comet is equal to 179.3 AU, and the minimum distance is equal to 1 AU. So therefore, if we plug in back to the equation, we have the furthest distance is about 357.6 AU. And for the last question, well, we can come up with such equation here, which is 1/2 V max times delta T times R minimum is equal to 1/2 V minimum times delta T over R max. So V max here is the speed at the closest point, and V minimum here is the speed at the furthest point. As you can tell, 1/2 delta T can be cancelled out. So therefore, we have V max times R minimum is equal to V minimum times R max. So therefore, we should have the ratio between the speed at the closest point, which is Vmax, over the speed at the furthest point, which is minimum here, is equal to Rmax over R minimum, which will have 357.6 AU over 1 AU. And this is really close to 360. And this is the ratio between the speed at the closest point and the furthest point. And these are the answers for this question.